Imagine owning a brand new home for less than the price of a mid-size pickup truck. That is exactly what some prefab barndominium kit companies are advertising right now. And the numbers look incredible on their websites. But here's the part they quietly leave out in the fine print. And it is the part that has caught thousands of buyers completely off guard. In this video, we are breaking down the best prefab barndominium kits available under $100,000 in 2026, what those prices actually include, what they do not include, and whether hitting that $100K finish line is genuinely possible for a real family in the real world. We are not here to sell you a dream. We are here to hand you the truth so you can make the smartest decision of your financial life. If you are serious about building an affordable home in 2026, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications, because this channel covers real costs, real plans, and real strategies every single week. And stay with us to the very end of this video, because the last section is the most important one we will share today. What a prefab barndominium kit actually is. Before we talk dollars, we need to get one thing crystal clear, because there is a massive amount of confusion in this space, and that confusion is costing people tens of thousands of dollars. A prefab barndominium kit is not a finished home. It is a pre-engineered package of steel components, factory cut and labeled, that gets shipped directly to your building site. What arrives on that flatbed truck typically includes the structural steel frame, wall panels, roof trusses, metal siding, roofing sheets, and trim pieces. Everything is pre-drilled and designed to bolt together on site, almost like a large-scale construction kit. That is where the efficiency and the cost savings come from. Because the manufacturing happens in a controlled factory setting, waste is reduced, precision is higher, and your on-site assembly time drops dramatically compared to traditional stick-built construction. There are three main types of kit systems you will encounter in 2026. Red iron kits use hot-rolled I-beam steel frames, which deliver exceptional strength, and wide clear-span interiors with no load-bearing interior walls. Tubular steel kits use lighter-gauge galvanized square tubing and are significantly more DIY-friendly for smaller builds. SIP kits, which stands for structurally insulated panels, go a step further by integrating insulation directly into the wall and roof panels, which can save you money on a separate insulation phase later. Each system has a different price point, a different skill requirement for assembly, and a different fit depending on the size of your build. Real 2026 kit prices. What the numbers actually mean now, let us talk real numbers, because this is where the story gets interesting. In 2026, prefab steel barndominium kit materials are priced between $20 and $35 per square foot on average. That is for the materials only, meaning the steel shell package sitting on your lot, not yet assembled. If you include on-site labor to erect the kit, that range climbs to $30 to $50 per square foot. So on a 1,000 square foot build, you are looking at roughly $20,000 to $35, $0 for the kit materials alone, or $30,000 to $50,000 once you add assembly labor. On a 1,500 square foot footprint, a popular size for a starter barndo, the kit and erection combined lands somewhere between $45,000 and $75,000 depending on the company, the region, and the complexity of the design. On paper, that absolutely fits within a $100,000 budget. But here is where most people run straight into trouble. Those figures cover the exterior steel shell only. The foundation is not included, insulation is not included, electrical wiring is not included, plumbing is not included, vac is not included. Drywall, flooring, cabinetry, windows, interior doors, and fixtures are not included. According to data from Buildings Guide tracking 2026 project costs, the steel shell and structure account for roughly 25% of the total finished cost of a barndominium. The remaining 75% is everything that happens inside after the shell goes up. That single statistic is the most important thing you will hear in this entire video. Top prefab kit companies to know in 2026. Let us look at the companies that are leading the prefab barndominium kit space right now, and what each one brings to the table. General Steel Buildings is one of the most recognized names in the industry, and scores exceptionally high on commercial-grade, red iron construction. They offer custom plans and a wide range of add-ons, which gives buyers real flexibility. Their kit pricing falls within the standard $20 to $35 per square foot range for materials. Worldwide Steel Buildings is another strong national player, offering all-steel shell kits with transparent pricing and a 50-year structural warranty. Their 40x40 kit, which gives you 1,600 square feet of footprint, is a particularly popular entry point. For buyers working within a tight budget, Armstrong Steel is known for its residential-focused designs and for proactively engineering kits to local wind and snow load codes across all 50 states, which matters a great deal when you are trying to get a building permit approved. Mueller Buildings is the gold standard if you are in Texas or the broader American Southwest. What sets Mueller apart is that they actually manufacture their own steel and sell directly to consumers through physical branch locations, which eliminates broker markups entirely. Carport Central offers over 100 shell-only kit configurations, starting at approximately $20 to $31 per square foot, with strong customization options for doors, windows, siding profiles, and color. My Barndo Plans takes a slightly different approach by offering red iron, SIP, and cold-formed steel kit types, depending on the scale of your build, with kit pricing starting at $43,500 for a 3-bedroom configuration. None of these prices include the foundation, interior finishes, or permits, and every reputable company will be upfront about that in writing. The real cost breakdown. What you actually need to budget here is a practical cost breakdown for a real 2026 Barndominium build that uses a prefab kit as its starting point. We are going to use a 1,000 square foot single-story build, which is the realistic sweet spot for staying under $100, $0 as a total project budget, excluding land. The kit materials for a 1,000 square foot shell will run approximately $20,000 to $35,000. Assembly labor to erect that kit on-site adds another $10,000 to $15,000. Your concrete slab foundation will cost $6 to $14 per square foot, which means $6,000 to $14,000 for this size. Building permits typically run $500 to $2, depending on your county, and what trade permits are required for electrical and plumbing. Site preparation, which includes tree clearing, grading, and getting your land ready for a slab pour, can run $8,000 to $25,000 or more if the terrain is uneven or access is difficult. Insulation is one of the most critical line items in any metal building and one of the most underestimated. Spray foam insulation, which is the recommended approach for a steel shell, runs $150 to $5,000 per square foot of surface area, which on a 1,000 square foot build can mean $3,000 to $12,000 depending on your wall height and roof pitch. Rough-in plumbing and electrical work from licensed trades will typically run $12,000 to $20,000. Combine modest 1 or 2 bathroom layout. Basic interior finishing including drywall or alternative wall treatment, LVP flooring, stock cabinetry, and a budget-conscious fixture package can be done for $15,000 to $25,000 if you are selective and take on some of the work yourself. When you add all of that together on a 1,000 square foot build, a realistic total project cost sits between $74 to $500 and $128,000 before land. Getting to or under $100,000 is achievable, but it requires discipline, owner-builder involvement, and smart decision-making at every single stage. How to genuinely stay under $100 K. So how do the people who actually hit that $100,000 target do it? There are several consistent strategies that separate the builders who come in on budget from those who blow past it. The first and most powerful lever is keeping your footprint between 600 and 1,000 square feet. Every additional square foot drives up your foundation cost, your insulation cost, your interior finish cost, and your permit valuation. Staying compact is the single biggest budget decision you will make. The second strategy is choosing a simple rectangular or square floor plan and avoiding complex roof pitches, offset walls, or attached covered porches that add material waste and custom labor. The third strategy is embracing the owner-builder model, which means you manage the subcontractors yourself instead of hiring a general contractor who will add a management fee of 10 to 25% on top of every trade. That alone can save $15,000 to $30,000 on a modest build. The fourth strategy is being intentional about interior finishes. Stock ready-to-assemble kitchen cabinets instead of custom millwork can save $8, $0 to $15,000 on their own. LVP flooring instead of tile or hardwood saves thousands more. Open shelving instead of upper cabinets, shiplap accent walls instead of full drywall on every surface, and functional fixtures instead of designer plumbing hardware all add up to significant savings without sacrificing livability. The fifth strategy is choosing your location carefully. Labor rates vary by $15 to $45 per hour depending on your region. States like Oklahoma, Missouri, and rural Texas consistently offer some of the most affordable barndominium construction environments in the country, with experienced local contractors who have built dozens of these structures and work efficiently as a result. What the kit does not cover and why it matters. One more important truth before we wrap up, because this point trips up even experienced buyers. When you read an advertisement that says 500 square foot barndominium kit for $29,000, that company is not lying to you. The kit does cost $29,000, but what arrives on your lot for $29,000 is a steel shell package. It will keep rain off you. It will not keep you warm. It will not have a working toilet. It will have no lights, no kitchen, and no interior walls. What you are buying is the structure, and the structure is the foundation of everything else. But it is the beginning of the project, not the end. The companies that win long-term in this industry are transparent about that distinction. When you are requesting quotes, always ask specifically what the line item cost is for the kit alone, what the foundation allowance is, what the insulation approach is, and what it will cost, and what the expected total project budget is to reach a certificate of occupancy in your specific county. Any company that cannot answer those questions clearly and in writing is not a company you want to hand your money to. Is a prefab barndominium kit the right choice for you? Here is our honest answer. A prefab barndominium kit is one of the smartest starting points available for budget-conscious home builders in 2026. Steel kits are genuinely 15 to 30% cheaper than traditional wood framing for equivalent structural coverage. They assemble faster, reducing the window during which weather or delays can affect your project. They are engineered to local code requirements and come with structural warranties of 40 to 50 years from reputable manufacturers. The owner-builder model, which kit construction is perfectly suited for, makes achieving a finished home under $100. A real and achievable goal for a 1,000 square foot build in a labor-friendly region. But going in with unrealistic expectations about what the kit price covers is the fastest route to a half-finished shell sitting on a lot while you scramble to find more money. The builders who succeed with prefab kits are the ones who treat the kit as chapter 1 of the story, plan the full budget before they spend the first dollar, and understand that a beautiful, livable, affordable home requires every chapter to be planned in advance. If this video helped you see the real picture of what a prefab barndominium kit actually costs and what it takes to land under $100,000 in 2026, please give it a thumbs up because it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this information. Drop your questions or your state in the comment section below, and we will do our best to answer every single one. Subscribe if you have not already, because we cover affordable home builds, real cost breakdowns, and practical construction strategies every week on this channel. The dream of owning an affordable, quality-built home is absolutely within reach in 2026. The key is knowing exactly what you are building before you break ground. We will see you in the next one.